The topic of today's sermon is God delivers you from spiritual attack. It is God who saved you from spiritual attack while you were sleeping and made you wake up as a living being. He rescued your soul from death, your eyes from tears, and your feet from stumbling. The owner of your soul stopped your tears and kept you from defeat. This is according to the book of Psalm, chapter 116, verse 8. And I'll read, "For you have delivered my soul from death, my eyes from tears, and my feet from falling." Now I have questions. Are you grateful to God who erased inconsolable weeping from your life? How are you showing appreciation to your Creator who terminated secret crying permanently from your journey? The time has come for you to fear and obey the owner of your soul. Do not be like most people in the world who fear humans rather than God. You can respect or honor people, but you must be afraid of God alone, who can destroy both your soul and body in hell. The book of Matthew corroborated this fact. Book of Matthew chapter 10, verse 28. And now we read, "And do not fear those who kill the body but cannot kill the soul, but rather fear him who is able to destroy both soul and body in hell." If you are obedient and fear God, you will not end your journey in Satan's camp. Instead, God will destroy death for you, and you will not partake in second death, but inherit eternal life. May the Lord bless his words.